Hello, today we will guide you through how to ADD Nasdaq NAS100 on Exness. To begin, open your Exness personal area. This is where you manage your trading accounts and access the platform tools you need. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account area before moving forward. From there, click on Trade. This option will take you toward the trading interface connected to your account. If you have multiple account options visible, just stay focused on the one you want to use for this setup so you add the instrument in the right place. Next, click on Exness Terminal. This opens the web-based trading terminal where you can search for and add instruments to your watch list or trading view. Give it a second to load fully, especially if your connection is a little slow, because some interface elements may not appear right away. Once you are inside the Exness terminal, look toward the upper part of your screen and click on the plus icon. This button is used to add a new trading instrument. It usually opens a search field or instrument list, allowing you to look up the market you want to include. Now type Nasdaq into the search bar. At this point, you may notice that no direct result appears for Nasdaq or NAS100. That is normal on some platforms, because brokers often list instruments under a different symbol name rather than the common market name people use. In this case, instead of continuing with Nasdaq, search for USTEC. This is the symbol you will want to use to find the Nasdaq-related instrument on Exness. After searching for USTEC, locate it in the results and click on it to add it. Once selected, it should appear in your instrument list or watch list inside the terminal, making it available for viewing and trading. A helpful tip here is to remember that different brokers may use different names for the same index. So if you do not see NAS100 listed directly, using the broker-specific symbol, like USTEC, is often the correct solution. This can save time and avoid confusion when searching for indices. And that's it. You have now added Nasdaq on Exness by finding it under USTEC in the Exness terminal.